Now welcome to the third video in the playlist. As I mentioned today, or in this list, in this video, we will be creating the basic exam. So it's very easy. Anybody can do it. So just I want to use latex as a language. So, but before doing that, you go to this website called Overleaf. So Overleaf is a platform. So you need to create an account and it's free. So this is my account and I just logged in. So I start with going to overleaf.com, create an account, and then you will see a new project. So I'm just creating a blank project. Okay. So and here let's say I will say demo and then create. So now a blank project is created and it opens a blank page. Okay, so you have three sections. On the left, there is a files section and the outline section. In the middle, we have this LaTeX code, and on the right, there is a PDF. Okay. So this is the PDF file which is coming. Now, I don't want any of this. I just delete this. So I have nothing to start with. So because basically we are starting, and you can use this particular tool to hide the left portion. So now we have two parts. So one is our code for creating the exam, and right side is the output PDF that comes in the form of exam. Okay, so let's quickly begin. So, how do we start creating a document? Okay, so, creating document is easy. So, we start by saying document class, and in this document class, in the round brackets or flower brackets, you say exam. So, this we are defining a document class like this, and then right away I'll say begin document and end document. So end document automatically it comes on the Overleaf platform. So within the document environment, we are creating a document. Now there are several videos, as I already mentioned on YouTube, how to create exam using LaTeX. There will be several more detailed videos. I am just showing only what is required for this particular project, which I am saying. The for my course for my students. But I thought I will share this so that it will be useful for everyone. Okay, so now I want to start the document. So I'll start making questions. Okay, so how to start making questions? You say slash question begin. Again, you need a begin environment and then say questions. And under this begin questions, you can start making a question. So like this slash question. So that is a command. And now I just want to start with very simple question. So two resistors. Now I want to give some basic values. So let's say 28 ohms. See, for ohm symbol, we use this omega. So between two dollar signs, if you use slash capital omega, so this is again the LaTeX format, it will create a ohm symbol. 28 ohms and 14 ohms. So not ohms, you need to give omega because that is a symbol for ohms are in parallel. So basically I'm creating the first question, and this combination is in turn connected in series with another resistance. By the way, a trick for getting better results from my videos is you can watch the videos at 2x speed or 1.5x speed, so that you will be able to uh, learn the things much faster, because speaking and typing I'm a little bit slow in that. Yeah, but anyway, so another resistance, okay, of value, let's say 6 omega. Okay, so I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to build here. Further, This entire combination is connected in parallel. I'm sorry. Yeah, in parallel to another resistance of 11 omega. So I need to give dollar signs and omega. Omega with capital O. Okay. So there is a small omega also. Find the effective resistance of the above circuit. So this is my first question. So it's very simple. Again, line number one, I said document class exam. Then line number two, I began the document. Then I began the questions. Then I given the question like this, and then I am ending the questions environment and ending the document itself. So let us compile this and see what happens. So on the right, you have this compile button, and you compile this. Yes, so here you can see a question is been created. So let me magnify, and here you can see the question coming like this. Now, usually this kind of exams, it looks better if it is a multi-column question paper. That means two columns. So what I will do, first I will go for a package, use package, and then I will say multi-call. So what this package at the big, so this you have to enter before the begin document. So what it does is it will enable the multi-column command. Okay. So now before beginning your question, I can say here before the beginning of the questions, I will say begin multi-call. So I am beginning a multi-column environment, multi-calls. Okay, and I have need to specify how many columns. So again, I give a flower bracket and then give two columns. So now because I began an environment here, I have to end the environment just before ending the document. Okay, end multi calls. So now I'll recompile the document. So now you can see on the uh, question paper, you can see the question is divided into two columns. But again, not to worry, these three lines will also come under this because we have the because there was only one question, it is divided into two columns like this. Anyway, so let's read this. And there's one more small thing we can say backslash answer line. So it creates a small answer line to go with the question. So like this. So let's read the question. So for reading the question, I'll simply display the entire page. So two resistors, 28 ohms and 14 ohms are in parallel. This combination in turn connected in series with another resistance of 6 ohms. Further, this entire combination connected in parallel to another resistance of 11 ohms. Find the effective resistance of the above circuit. So I think the electrical engineers among you can try and solve this problem. Right now, I'm only preparing the question how to create the answer for this, how to change the parameter, like instead of 28, how to give 36 or random number 24, 20, whatever. That we will see when we go to Python programming, and how to create the solution and how to correct the solution when students submit the answer. So that all will be coming later in the playlist. But right now, we began with one question. So if you can write one question, obviously you can write multiple questions. So now the process is same. You have to repeat this 100 times so that you get a question paper with 100 questions. Okay, so but before we do that, see, instead of drawing, like giving a question like this in words, can we draw a circuit diagram and ask the student to find the resistance? That also possible. So, how to draw circuit diagrams in LaTeX, I will cover in my next video. So, that's it in this particular video. Over to the next video, we'll draw a second question in which we'll draw a circuit diagram. Thank you.